Hello everybody, welcome back to another light bar video. This is a 72-inch Aerodynic, all red in the front, red in the back with ambers on the corners. This has 8 independent rotors in it. A pair of those, I'm sure I'm going to say it wrong, those Meteors lights in the center, the ones that kind of give you like that figure 8 look. Kind of reminds you like the Mars lights. And then on the corners I have like the 4416 style sealed beam bulbs. What I'm going to be doing with this light bar, as you can see, it's pretty dirty on the back side. Because when this thing sits up on the shelf, I really can't get to the back side of the bar too well to clean it. So really only the front is really what gets cleaned the most. So the back is getting pretty dirty and stuff like that. Not to mention inside my shop here, I'm always working. So I'm getting stuff like overspray and stuff like that on it, which isn't a huge deal. Yeah, that'll buff right off. So I'm going to go ahead and pull these lenses off. I'm going to get all these buffed out. The other thing I got to do is this rotator and this rotator, I got to change them out. At some point, they were changed to the different style light bulb, where it has that style clip versus the quarter turns that these have. And the reason I'm doing that is because I found a set of LED bulbs that I really like the way they look in these Aerodynic light bars, which I'll be showing you those bulbs. I'll put a link in the description for it. But they're all quarter turns, so I got to convert those two to quarter turns in order to do that. So let's go ahead and get inside here. Let's do some cleaning up, get those bulbs in there, and we'll see what this looks like. Okay, so I got the bar opened up. Overall, this bar is actually in really good shape. It's really clean. You know, it's not all nasty and dirty or anything like that. But like I said, I'm going to be changing out this rotor and that rotor. I'm going to be getting those from this bar right here. This is just a little mini bar that I don't have any lenses for. I just put these filters on there just so when I turn it on, it has something on there. But these have the quarter turn bulbs. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to take these off, put them on here, take those off, put them on here. So I still have this bar complete. So when I do get some lenses for it, I can make it look, complete. So this way it's still a functional bar. Put those in there, put all the LEDs in it, get them lenses clean, and we'll see what this looks like. Okay, so I got those two rotators swapped out. So now I got the quarter turns on all of them. I also took them apart by removing the snap ring right here and greased everything up because I had a few of them that kind of was doing that little wobbling thing where they kind of like wobble and they make a kind of noise to them. So I went ahead and greased them all up. So they're moving nice and freely now, nice and quiet. I also had a couple of these little small LED bulbs. I picked these up for the Ghostbuster car project a while back. Had a couple extras. I put them in those small ones right there. I also made sure that this one was put back together. So other than just getting myself some lenses for it, that's at least still pretty much a complete bar. So in the meantime, while I'm waiting for those bulbs to show up, because I got a couple days still for those going to be here, I'm going to go ahead and start polishing out them lenses. All right, so my bulbs have arrived. Now this is the package for those little small ones that I put right there. And this is going to be the new ones I just picked up. They're just a LED, super bright. Now this is what they look like. Now these are for like RV campers. My phone is zoom in. There we go. RVs and campers and all that. So you see they kind of have a little bit of an opaque kind of cover on them. But if you look carefully, you can kind of see that there's a whole row of LEDs on that side, then a whole row of LEDs on this side, and that opaque cover kind of helps, disperse the light. Now I'm sure if that was clear, they'd be a little bit brighter, but I still think they put off a nice, good, fair amount of light to make them look really good. Now the reason I like those is because I've already put them in a couple of my bars so far, and I like the way they look because the way they're shaped, they capture the entire reflector really good. So like when you look at these right here, see how it's capturing that entire reflector, where that one don't have the bulb in it? So you see where it really captures it. So it really catches a lot of that reflector, and it actually looks really good. Not to mention it's going to take a lot of stress off my power supply, and also they're not so overly bright that when you have them on in your display, you don't feel like you're blinding yourself and all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and put that last bulb in. I'm going to turn it on, show you what it looks like, and then we'll put the domes on and we'll see the finished bar. All right, so here we go. I'm going to turn the small ones on in the center first. Yeah, I think they, they put off a good, nice, fair amount of light. I'm going to turn the rotators on. I think they put off a nice, good, fair amount of light. And like I said, they're not overpowering. So let's put the lenses on and see what it looks like. All right, so here we are with the lenses put back on it. Now, like I said, I kind of like the way these light bulbs look. I mean, I feel that they put off a good, fair amount of light for a nice interior display kind of situation. They're not overpowering. They're not super bright. They put off just enough light to make them look good. Now, I don't really feel that these would be a great alternative for an exterior application. Like, say you made yourself like a retro police car or something like that you take to car shows or something like that, and you put like an old Aero or a Code 3 or something like that on there, because I don't think they'd really be bright enough for a nice, bright sunny day. So I don't really feel that this would be a great exterior option. But for an interior option, for like just like what I have my stuff, just sitting on a shelf, I think they're a really good choice. You have to leave me a comment on what you guys think of these particular bulbs. Now, I do plan on going through each one of my bars slowly and pulling them down, cleaning them up. Some of them I'll probably change to the LEDs. Some of them I won't, depending on what kind of bulbs they have and stuff like that. So if you'd like to see me slowly go through each one of my bars one at a time, leave me a comment, let me know. I'll make some more videos. Other than that, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.